Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, this is just a quick update, quick intraday update. In the previous video, I also covered the daily chart. Today, I mentioned in the previous video that the focus is probably on the Fibonacci support zone between 92,122 and 94,763. And this is a zone that is still relevant. Today we don't see much price action. Not surprising, given that it's Thanksgiving. US exchanges, the US stock market is closed. Not the crypto exchanges, but the stock market is closed. And overall, yeah, the support area remains relevant because we haven't broken it. And the idea is currently that we could still push higher, but it would be in a larger three-wave move. So we are just grinding sideways essentially in a range at the moment, because from the swing high that formed around the 22nd of November to the downside here to that low around the 26th of November, well, we've only seen 3 waves down. And as a reaction then to that Fibonacci area here around 90,800, we've seen a 3-wave move up. Well, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, not a great combination. It typically indicates indecision, and it means we're in a range. Now, a 3-wave move up can always turn into a larger 3-wave move. I think that's likely based on the overall context. What does that mean? It means we could still push towards 100K. We could. Doesn't mean we should. Had this been a 5-wave move up here, I would say we should, right? And that was the opportunity. So wave 1, wave 2, one second, I just want to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would have been a 5-wave move. Then I would have said, okay, the next pullback should, not can, but should hold a higher low, and we should go to 100K. But of course, the market doesn't make it that easy. It keeps us in the unknown, in uncertainties. What we can do, we can reduce those uncertainties by adding those key Fibonacci levels to the chart that allow us to understand where support lies. And yeah, we have 4 levels here: 94,763, 93,984, 93,211, and 92,122. Any break below that 78.6 retracement at around 92K would strongly indicate we're moving down in the C wave here, probably towards 80 to 85K. I mean, we talked about this resistance area. The price found resistance at a key resistance level, and now we're in a pullback, right? And this looks corrective to me. So as long as we're holding support, at least we can watch for a reaction to see if the price starts either a larger B wave, as highlighted in yellow, which would then just be this, like A, B, C, and then we go down, yeah. Or it would just be an extension higher in a very, also in an ABC structure. You wouldn't really notice the difference. Main takeaway is we can still extend higher because the pullback looks corrective. But I can tell you that all the price action we see is corrective in the short term, which means, see, we have a pullback. And then this move up was also in 3 waves. I think you can identify that 3-wave move, A, B, C. So it might just be an internal B wave in that pullback. Yeah, messy structure, but not surprising, on a day like that where there's a public holiday and there's just not much action. And certainly that 3-wave move up indicates that we could dip deeper into this support region, possibly testing there the 50% retracement or even 61.8 retracement. Yeah, and again, also here, can I rule out a slightly higher B wave? No, I mean, this is just chopping around. I mean, the levels are defined. We're moving in a range. It really takes a break above yesterday's high to indicate that we're moving up to the next Fib level, which would be around 100,329. And once we have a low established, should there be some kind of an impulsive reaction here, then we can watch for a 1-2 setup. So 1-2 off wave C, 3, 4, 5. So that would be our first signal: a 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback, a so-called 1-2 setup. That's how we see it at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.